everybody, it's Kelly, and I'm back with another two-page layout for you today. This is the story of a mommy and daughter date. I've talked about before about how my daughter-in-law does individual dates with each of the kids so that they get just some one-on-one time with her because my stepson actually stays home with the kids. Although she is working from home, at least when I'm videoing this, she is still or not videoing this. Well, actually when I'm videoing it, but when I'm also doing the voiceover too. So I am using that gorgeous green paper. That paper is from Chamel Sparkle City. It's the Painted Ladies paper. And then I have that beautiful pink paper as well, which is from the Sparkle City Life is Sweet paper. I'm just going to mount 6 of the photos on strips of that pink paper. And I love that foil of that pink and that green. And my granddaughter there is wearing a purple sweatshirt, so I think that just is a really nice, like a lavender colored sweatshirt. So I love how that kind of works with that. And I love that picture of them, the two of them in the top. So she has 3 brothers, so it's nice that Mama has a little girl too to do fun girl stuff. Although she definitely is probably going to end up being a tomboy as well. She hangs with her brothers pretty well. All right, so I absolutely love this floral paper and have not used it. That is from Chamel's Head in the Clouds, and it's the Moonlight and Roses paper. So I need to use a big chunk of that somewhere else, but I'm going to use a small chunk of it behind these photos here. So there we go. So we got the girly paper with the girls there. And I just like how that highlights that picture of them together. And I'm thinking I want to drop this down a little bit. I want to be able to see a little bit of the green below the pink paper. You know, sometimes I could mount the pink all the way to the bottom, but in this particular case, I wanted the contrast of the pink and the green. And that green is almost the color of the grass here, which is awesome. I do also love that paper behind with the cityscape on it. I've used that already for other layouts. Just trying to decide which side of this is up so that at least it's kind of the same all the way across. You know, it won't repeat exactly, but at least it won't look so uneven behind it. All right. I'm so glad that they're going to have these memories. They've done so much with the kids during this kind of stay at home or, you know, safer at home time. And there's going to be lots of these kinds of things, lots of these memories. So I was going through the Sparkle City sticker sheet and I found this this phrase sticker that says above all else sparkle, and I love that sentiment for both of them actually, but this is something that a mama might say to her daughter, so I thought that was kind of cool. And my granddaughter's actually smiling here. She does not like to smile for photos, so she likes to do it more in selfies, which, you know, with mama there, so I think that's really cute. So, and that pulls in the pink and purple. There's another sticker from the Sparkle City sticker sheet that I'm thinking about putting over there. And that will kind of balance out the larger sticker on the left next to the big photo. So I'm going to be brave and put that one down. I did get some navy in here that I didn't have anywhere else, but it's just sort of comes off as like a darker color, that navy in that top paper, and there is dark in some of these photos, so I think that works out pretty well. Those are the puffy stickers from Sparkle City, and I'm toying with using that arrow, but not quite convinced yet. So then I found that butterfly there. It's a chipboard butterfly from the Head in the Clouds chipboard stickers. And I really like that down there. You know, it's an outdoor day and butterflies feel like fun. Kind of toying with maybe adding that rainbow piece up there, but it just doesn't feel right. I think it's bringing in colors that aren't in there yet. And there's a yellow right there, but part of it was I didn't have any yellow in there, but I did add that yellow butterfly in there. There is a little bit of yellow in the sparkle. So then I found that little banner piece that says Everyday Adventures, I believe. Yes, Everyday Adventures. Let's think about adding that behind that butterfly there. Getting a little bit of darkness down in the bottom there. Since there is dark at the top. Now I am thinking, where's my journaling going to go on here? Now if I was Shamel, I'd journal right on one of those background with a pen. I like to contain my journaling, however. That's just me. I'm adding in some of those smaller butterfly stickers from the Head in the Clouds sticker book. It's cute. It's like rainbow shaped. Now I'm looking for something to write on, and I'm thinking maybe an aqua color. Don't have a ton to say. I'm not, I wasn't here. So, but I do want to make sure some of this gets documented. So I'm just using this journaling card, and I don't know exactly where that came from. I think it was printed or cut out from something, but I don't know. And I'm fooling around with it to get it under the layers and under the sticker. And again, I don't need a big journaling space. I just need some journaling space here. I will tell you in the end, one of the things that I think is missing on this layout is I really didn't get that aqua color to the right side of the page. And so that's a little bit of a miss as I look at this layout in total. It's the one thing that I think, kind of what you're looking at now is I'm going to add a little bit, but not much, is the whole kind of shape of this. I don't mind the blue and the pink of the floral paper because that's appearing all over, but I think a little bit of aqua down in that cluster with the flowers would have made a little bit of sense. Toying with maybe doing a banner or something with that floral paper to get it in. And I think I could have done that if I hadn't already put that floral cluster with the butterfly down at the bottom right there. So basically right now there's only 3 clusters, and then I add in these 2 little butterflies from the Head in the Clouds sticker book. Just kind of getting that. You can see part of the foam sticking out, so I'm kind of trying to fix that. All right, so then I decided I'm going to add some purple enamel dots in here to pull in some of the purples that are there, and my granddaughter's wearing purple, so that made sense. These are the Queen & Company epoxy dots here. I might, when I'm all done with this, go back and maybe look and see if I can find like a sticker with a little bit of that aqua color and pop it in that bottom cluster there. We'll see. Could also add a couple of enamel dots, like maybe in each cluster, maybe add 2 enamel dots in that aqua color, and that would also help. We'll see. I have used a ton of my aqua enamel dots, though I think are almost all gone right now. All right, guys, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.